Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. We all know it's so important to stay outside and to get outside and be active, but when it's raw and cold, it can be so difficult. These pants from Yogipace help me to be able to be active and warm at the same time when I'm outside in the cool weather. The pants have a very comfortable elastic waist and they're made out of a thermal material. So the inside has a very soft material to make them really comfy and warm. You can wear them loose at the bottom or it comes with an elastic so that you can cinch them at the ankles. One thing that I really like is not only are they super comfortable, but they come with really roomy pockets, making them really easy to carry things if you're walking outdoors. The pants are not completely waterproof. However, they definitely repel the water when you're walking outside. Check out my spray test to really show you how the water sits more on top rather than sinking in really quickly. The pants are also machine washable. As you can see, these pants are great. They keep you so warm. I love the roomy pockets and it has lots of options so that you can stay nice and warm. They really do feel like a great layer of protection when I'm outside, and I love that feature to be able to stay a little bit drier than normal thanks to these pants. And that's my point of view.